One morning on my way to work, about 5:30 in the morning, beautiful sunny day. I was riding in, no other traffic on the road. I stopped at a red traffic light. As I'm sitting there, I've heard a noise behind me. By the time I've looked, I've been hit from behind at about 60 miles an hour. I was thrown about 6 meters across the road. Someone come and lifted the bike off me and looked, and I could see my leg was pointing at an angle that it shouldn't be pointing. And I knew instantly that I'd had an open fracture.
A car had mounted the pavement and narrowly missed my boyfriend and hit me from behind at 40 miles an hour. I sustained a traumatic brain injury. I had fractured the vertebrae in my neck, and I had a skull fracture and a lot of physical bruising. I would recommend Slater and Gordon. They provided so much support for me when I had some difficult decisions to make regarding the legal case. I felt very seen and valued. It was very touching that they cared so much, not just about the case, but about me.
From the first moment I started dealing with them until now, they've been absolutely fantastic. Nothing's been too much of an issue. They've been brilliant, and I couldn't highly recommend them enough.